Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious no-bake chocolate mousse cake. We'll start by preparing the crust, which is super simple. You'll need just a few basic ingredients to create a rich, firm foundation for your mousse. This method saves time and effort, ensuring a perfect base every time. Get ready for a delightful dessert experience with minimal fuss. Next, we'll create the star of the show, the chocolate mousse. Melting your chocolate properly is key to a smooth, luscious filling. Then, whipping the cream to just the right consistency ensures that light, airy texture we all love. Gently combining these elements will give you a mousse that's both rich and incredibly delicate, making every bite a dream. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this no-bake chocolate mousse cake guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: after enjoying your cake, you might have leftovers. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your treats or any other food. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully spoon your decadent mousse over the prepared crust, spreading it out smoothly. This step is crucial for an even slice. Then, the hardest part, waiting. Chilling the cake for a minimum of 4 hours allows the mousse to firm up perfectly, ensuring a beautiful and stable dessert when you're ready to serve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.